What's going on, fellas? Welcome back to another S14 video. Today we're going to be replacing the mass airflow sensor as well as a brand new air intake filter. So enough talking, let's get started. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. Usually right there at that stop sign, I would stutter at low RPM. Up here as well, I would stutter where that Jeep is. When I start to lose power, I would have to downshift. Oh wait, I should check my RPM too, bro. What am I doing? Where's RPM? Oh wait, I am on my RPM. What the fuck? Okay. So right now I'm at 2.4, which would be like right here. If you guys know how to change the cluster, if you guys know how to repair the cluster, please send me a link of a video or instructions to my Instagram. Please, I am begging. I removed the cluster and try to fix it, but it's not like other older clusters, bro. Like, you know, you would take it apart and re-slaughter the little welds in the back. Yeah, I tried to take it apart, but the cluster did not want to come apart, so I scrapped the video. Uh-oh, I think I heard it break out. I'm not gonna lie, I think I heard it break out. Once I was about to get to it, I heard an exhaust note change, and I think it was about to break up. Let's see. Break out. You see 39, 40, it broke out. It was at 3,900 when it broke out. So once it hits 4K, yeah, it's breaking out. Hey, it drives a bit better though. I think all I gotta do is adjust the TPS sensor and I should be set. So that wraps up the video, guys. This issue, replacing the mass sensor, did not work on the breakout situation that the car is having. Next video, I will be adjusting the TPS sensor, which I should have done when I first replaced it, but I still don't know how to adjust it. So just stay tuned for that video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later.